Government of India ki Ministry of Information and Broadcasting na LEIBAK ASIGI AWANG NONGPOK state singda film culture CHAOKHATNABA TONGAN KHONGTHANG kaya PAIKHATPADA NATTANA Malem gi Phampak da region Asida Puthokpa film kaya Utnaba gi Khudong Chaba Leptana Phanghalli KHONGTHANG ASIGI makhada MAIPAKLABA filmmakers sing gi manungda Tripura dagi Oscar 2024 nominee Biplab Goswami Dominic Sangma, Manipuri Lakshmi Priya, Manipur State Film Development Society ki Secretary Sanju Bachaspati Mayum Amade, Ukhrudagi Tangkhul filmmaker Aukum Chahong Rin Singh Panbiyai. Filmmaker amasung writer Biplab Goswami Tripura dagini, Mahag Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute Kolkata gi graduate ni. Amaromda Dominic Sangma gi Rapture hariba film asi Friends Theatre Singda release taukraba amade Berlinale Talents 2019 da saruk yakraba matung hausi Europe da miyamna yamna pamnaba film ama oirakle awang nongpok state singdagi maming leiraba film talents sing asigi manungda Manipur dagi su singthaningai oiba filmmaker kaya thorakle debutant director Lakshmi Priya gi film Bungna Nifumapan Suba Toronto International Film Festival ge lemtoningai oiraba Discovery section da world premiere utkibane masigi matakda Ministry of Information and Broadcasting gi sponsorship makhada Tripura amasung Manipur dagi filmmaker ani Korea da South Korea da tha sigi ani dagi 13 fauba pangthokliba Busan International Film Festival da sarugyanaba khalakibane maduki manungda Manipur dagi Sanju Bachaspati Mayum amasung Aukum Chahong Rin Singh yauri Busan International Film Festival asi Malem gi oina khwaidagi wangba thakda singthaningai oiba film festival singi manungda ama oiribane panba yabade Rin Singh Aukum Chahong Tangkhul Naga Film Association na pangthokiba ahanba Tangkhul Film Competition da Best Director Award fangkrabane mahake samkhok hariba Tangkhul Film asisu Busan International Film Festival da Utnabagi damak Ministry of Information and Broadcasting na khalakkrabane film asina Tangkhul Naga gi chanabe nat imung manunggi oiba Mari Singh Laishon Tinchol amade myoiba amasung mahusani gi marakta leinariba Mari Singh adu mayek sengna utli Awang nongpok state singda film CHAOKHATNABA Ministry of Information and Broadcasting na lakhalakliba KHONGTHANG sing asiga mari lainana TONGANBA film kayada award kaya fangkraba Manipur State Film Development Society ki Secretary Sanju Bachaspati Mayum na hai Ministry ki initiative asina filmmaker singda exposure gi achoba Khudong Chaba Phanghalli initiative asigi makhada MSFDS na sintuna Imphal da aikoi gi Imphal International Film Festival koba festival amasu kumjali singani kunmanga gi February 3 tagi 8 fauba pangthoklagani hairi
your film yamse quickly normal platform da uda film ngakani yamna real film yamna creative film making ni aduga film screening da natana industry activities mayam highway film financing film gi marketing film gi financing film gi how to present your film to financiers co-producers or attract investment opportunities for your project habigi market ki section mayam yamna kanaba Khudong Chaba mayam exposure mayam phange aduga Ministry of INB aduga khoi government of Manipur gi government art and culture ki department so sigumba sida khoi sana recommend toroga thabi besigi thank you haijening
Tangkhul filmmaker Aukum Chahong Rin Singh na hai Busan International Film Festival da sarugyanabagi damak selection phanglakpa sina cinema gi concept sing mayek senghanbada natana film na medium ama oina Malem gi audience sing da tongan ba expression sing phongdoknabagi Khudong Chaba ama phanghale hai ki Nakalamaromda Tripura gi filmmaker Biplab Goswami na hai Ministry of Information and Broadcasting na awang nongpok region gi cinema da akhanaba mityeng thamlakpa simal singthaningai oiba khongthang amani filmmaking gi lamda awang nongpok region asi achoba asa leiribani amade talent leiraba filmmaker kaya sina tongan ba jangdamnaba kaya da soidana mai paglakani haibagi thajaba lei khudam oina hairabada Sinastan script writing contest 2023 da top 5 script ki manungda ahum de north east gi oiki Indian cinema gi lamda awang nongpok region asina khudol kaya tamgadaba leiri haina so mahana makha tana phongdoki
We are to attend the Busan International Film Festival. So we are really grateful to Ministry. Ministry has sent us over here to attend the Busan International Film Festival. It's a wonderful experience. We are meeting a lot of people over here and watching a lot of films, talking about films. It's a very good experience. And we are also attending some teaching sessions organized by Bhushan International Film Festival Committee. So this exposure will enrich us definitely. This is a very good opportunity which we are having here.